So you are visible.
Okay, you are too. So let's go further. Okay, so could you introduce yourself?
So, so as you know that my name is Rajpal and I'm from UP and my district name is Rampur and I have completed my master with political science. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are reading books and diary writings and playing badminton. And with that, I'm preparing for the civil services. So it is
Okay,
all about.
great. So, so now let me introduce myself too. So my name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and I'm pursuing Bachelor of Technology (BTech) from Ghaziabad, and I am from UP. That is it. This is my short introduction. Thank you.
And what is your hobby?
Hobbies
What is
are
your
just playing cricket and chess and listening to the music too.
Okay, good. It is nice to hear.
Yeah.
So should we pick up any topic or just talk on the random topics?
Yeah, we should just go for random talk, like randomly we will talk. So,
Okay.
so are you preparing UPSC from any coaching? Have you joined any coaching, or you are just doing preparation by your own?
Till now, I haven't joined any coaching. I'm just looking for myself, and I don't have such a plan to join any coaching.
Okay, so why did you choose this career only?
So it was for the power.
Power.
Yeah.
Oh, great. So, where are you from? Basically, you as you have sold, yeah, you have mentioned your district name, but specifically, where are you from?
So I'm from the originally from the rural background, and right now I'm living in the cities for city for my education intention and. From my room, I'm preparing for the civil services, and because in the rural areas when we live that, so there is a, like the also problem in the connectivity. For example, if we have to like the purchase something, so it is not available so instantly. But when we live in the cities, and so somewhere we have the, you can say easier access to resources.
Yeah.
So that is I decide to switch from village to city, and I have just
So,
I switched from last year. It was August.
so where did you done your master's from?
So it was MJP University, which is located in the Bareilly.
Okay, so I think if I'm not wrong, you did MA.
Yeah, I'm a political science.
Yeah, great. So right now you are preparing for UPSC.
Hmm.
And
Absolutely.
apart from that, are you doing anything?
No, actually, right now, I mean, my exam is due on 11 Feb, which is the Samiksha Adhikari. I think you may be aware, very well aware about it, which is conducted by the UPPCS. So in as of now, I'm preparing for the ROR exam,
Oh, great, great.
and then of course, and then the civil service.
So, like, mm, but should I ask you? I'm just finding the questions. So how long have you been practicing spoken English?
So it has been approximately 6 months. For example, I started in mid-September. I took a subscription on the clipping.
Clapingo.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much did it cost basically?
It was more or less 8,000.
8,000
Yeah.
for a year.
No, for a month,
For
28
a
session.
month?
Yeah.
Oh, it's too costly. I just thought that it will be for a year.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is. Still very costly.
Yeah. So how many how many months did you practice there?
I told you it was only the 1 month, a month, and there were 28 sessions, and of them, two sessions were missed by me due to not available on the time, and I took 26 session.
Okay. So how was your experience basically?
So it was the combination of the positive and negative from both perspective, because time was very less. It was just 15 minutes, which is very less. When, for
Means
example,
you get 15 minutes each day for practice.
yeah,
I mean session.
yeah,
Yeah. So I think it's not good basically. 15 minutes are very less for a spoken English purpose. I don't think so. It is beneficial from any way.
yeah.
So do you do you like to read novels?
So I don't like like the. It is not my habit to reading the novels, but I read the books which is based on the knowledgeable, like Indian foreign policies, and for example, right now I'm and motivational kind of books, and right now I'm reading the Bhagavad Gita, and so
Oh, great. Bhagavad
I do
Gita
this.
is very amazing book.
Have you read it?
Yeah, I have read quite means quite a few verses of Bhagavad Gita. Yeah, it's a quite. So if you understand the real meaning of that Bhagavad Gita book, so you will be blessed, I think. And most of
Sure.
the most of the people just interpret the Bhagavad Gita as their own thoughts and perception to see that, but the actual interpretation is not available anywhere. Like no one knows the what Prasanji and means what happened between them. Like I hope you are getting my point. I can't explain
Yeah,
basically.
that. Yeah. So I'm telling you because the Bhagavad Gita was I mean, told by the Lord Krishna to the Arjuna, but it was the purpose of it revelations to the Arjuna, not just to make him understand about the things what with which he was I mean fighting within him. So the God purpose was to to give it to the whole world, because he know very well that in the future, I mean now for us. So uh, because it is depend on the person to person that how you perceive it. In my case,
Yeah,
there are when I take it to myself personally. So whenever I see any complexity within me, and I don't get understand what to decide between the two things, so I just go for it because it give us clear answer that what we should choose. For example, when the Mahabharata, the battle was about to happen. So Arjuna was not ready to fight because he was thinking that in the battle he would have to kill his own,
yeah.
I mean, the brothers and his own relatives. So he even didn't agree. At any point, so he asked to the Lord Krishna that you are the Lord, so why you are not killing to these devil people, so you should do that. Lord Krishna said that I have already killed these people, but you have to do just my the Lord, the remaining work which is you have to do. So the same thing is with us, because sometimes we face the difficulties, but we don't understand, and we think that someone come and advise us. So that is, I think it is for those which are struggling to find out the solution. So
Yeah.
but it's depend to person. Sometimes people take it I mean in the negative. They think that there is nothing in the Bhagavad Gita which motivate us,
There are so many
because
things are to learn from Bhagavad Gita. It is not like that there are nothing there in Bhagavad Gita. Yeah, there are so many things that you can learn from Bhagavad Gita. So
that
it's all about the people's mindset, that how the people think. So let them say. So
True. So you are from the Ghaziabad. So what is
the
the bed position?
weather is very bad here.
Like
I mean,
climate.
I have not seen sunrise for 3 days here, and the cold is. I mean, the temperature is very low of Ghaziabad. It's about like 7 to 6. Yeah.
Centimeter. Yeah. So you mentioned that you haven't seen the, I mean the sun for 2 to 3 days, but in our side, so here we haven't seen the sun. I think a week, from a week.
Oh, but
There's a cloud
yeah,
before.
3 years ago. I mean, 3 days ago, I saw the sun, and after that, I didn't because of the weather. And I think it will rain after some time. I think after 2 and 3 days after. So I think because weather is something like that, it
So
it can be rain.
so when did you start your this journey? I mean the
Yeah,
in this journey.
basically seriously I started it 3 months ago, but apart from that, I have been practicing. It's been like one year approx.
So did you take any subscription from anywhere?
No, I have not taken any kind of subscription yet, but yeah, that's
And so how is your study going on?
basically my exams are going on, and still I am making the conversation. So yeah, and this is my second last semester. So after that, it will be my like final semester, and I will end up with my graduation.
Yeah. So I mean, so for what career are you looking for?
Software engineer.
Yeah. So so you are the third person with whom I have talked, which are from the engineering background.
Oh, great. So basically, where do you find the people from? Do you have any group, or you just mail them from their YouTube channels?
So actually, I'm in a group
Sorry.
which I have joined a group on the Skype ID,
Mm,
in which there are around 92. I mean, mm, co-learners in that group.
so how can I join this group?
Yeah, I'm just telling you just one second. नमस्ते प्रधान जी.